Your AI isn't just going to write your emails anymore. By next year, it's going to fold your laundry. We've all seen the keynotes. We've watched the polished demos coming out of Silicon Valley and Beijing. But what's actually happening behind the scenes is much bigger. By 2026, physical AI is moving into your home, not as a concept, but as a real usable technology. And today, we're breaking down 5 ways this shift is about to change everyday life. For the last few years, AI has lived inside screens, in your phone, your laptop, your browser. It could think, generate, and respond, but it couldn't interact with the physical world. That era is ending. We are now entering the age of agentic physical AI. Machines that don't just process information, but understand and interact with their environment. This is powered by something called physical intuition. Instead of following rigid instructions, these systems learn how the real world works. They understand weight, balance, motion, and cause and effect. Similar to how a human learns as a child, this shift changes everything. First, the domestic labor revolution. Right now, your home is filled with single-purpose machines, dishwashers, washing machines, vacuum cleaners. They do one task and nothing more. But physical AI is general purpose. That means one system can handle multiple small tasks throughout your day. Clearing tables, sorting items, organizing spaces, even adapting to how your specific home is arranged. It doesn't just recognize objects. It understands what they are and where they belong. The small tasks that consume your time start disappearing. Second, the cost of admission. Not long ago, humanoid robots were incredibly expensive, out of reach for almost everyone. But that's changing fast. The cost curve is dropping rapidly. Manufacturing is scaling. Competition is increasing. By 2026. The price of a home robot could be similar to a small car. And that creates a new kind of decision. Not can I afford this, but is this more valuable than something else I would buy? For some households, a robot may replace the need for a second vehicle. Third, the central nervous system of your home. Today's smart homes are fragmented. Different devices, different apps, constant manual control. Physical AI changes that. Instead of managing your home manages itself. The robot becomes the central agent. It observes, it reacts, it takes action. If something breaks, it notices. If something runs out, it responds. If something needs coordination, it handles it. This is the shift from a smart home to an autonomous home. Fourth, the privacy paradox. This is where things get uncomfortable. We've spent years worrying about data in the cloud, but now the system collecting that data is physically inside your home. It can see, it can hear, it can move. That creates a new level of exposure. Privacy is no longer just digital, it becomes physical. This is why local processing and secure systems will become critical. The question isn't just what your AI knows, it's where that information lives and who controls it. And finally, robotics as a service. You may not even own your first robot. Instead, you'll access it when you need it. Need help cleaning, moving, setting up an event. You request the service and a robot is deployed to your location. This model lowers the barrier even further. Instead of a large upfront cost, it becomes on demand. Physical AI becomes something you use, not something you necessarily own. The era of screen-only AI is over. Machines are stepping into the real world, into your home, your routines, your daily life. The question is no longer if this will happen. It's how ready we are for it. Which of these changes excites you the most or concerns you the most? Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.